Welcome to Outdoor Theater Systems. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to assemble your new recreation series. For safety reasons, it is always preferred to have 2 people on hand to assemble your system. However, to highlight just how easily this system is assembled, we will be demonstrating with just 1 person. You can follow along with the instruction booklet that arrived with your system. Copies of all our instruction booklets can be found on our website at outdoortheatersystem.com. We'll start with the screen, one side at a time. Fully extend and tighten the knob on the first tripod. Attach the eye bolt to the very top hole and secure in place with a wing nut. Grab 2 twist stakes. Take a couple of large steps out from each side of the tripod and twist the stakes into the ground. Take 2 tie-down straps. Hook 1 tie-down to the eye bolt on the tripod and hook a second tie-down to the hook hole of the first. Now for the screen. We will be featuring the white screen in this setup. This will work for both front and rear projection. Attach the screen to the eye bolt using the spring clip. Raise the tripod pole up and insert the pin to secure it at the desired height. Tighten down the tie-down straps to each twist stake, but leave just a little bit of slack for adjustments. Set up a second tripod near the first, once again securing the eye bolt in the top hole with a wing nut. Attach a second pair of tie-down straps and let them hang loose. Attach the screen in the same fashion using the other spring clip. Raise the pole to the same height as the first. Now grab your location marker. Carefully walk the second tripod out until the screen surface is stretched. Drop the marker so you know where that second tripod will be set. Walk the tripod back near the first. Go back to the marker and take 2 large steps out and insert the twist stakes into the ground. Walk the tripod back to the proper distance and secure it in place with the tie-down straps. Using the bungee cords, secure the bottom corners of the screen to the tripod bases. Tighten down the tie-down straps if needed, and ta-da! Your screen is set and ready. Now for the speakers. Using a hex bolt and twist knob, secure each speaker bracket to each tripod. Plug in the power cord to the active speaker and plug the other end into the provided extension cord. Insert the speaker wire into the black and red audio outputs. Plug in the RCA cable to the red and white audio inputs. Run the speaker wire behind the screen to the passive speaker and insert into the black and red inputs. Screw the input knobs down over the wire to secure in place. Set up a table about 15 feet in front of your screen. You may need to slightly adjust the distance for optimal viewing later. Plug in the speaker extension cord into the power strip. Take the RCA cable from the speaker and connect the 3.5mm adapter. Insert the adapter into the audio output on the projector. Plug in the power cord to the projector and plug the other end into the provided power strip. Plug in the streaming stick to the HDMI port on the projector. Plug its power supply into the power strip as well. You're finished. Your system is ready to enjoy. Assembly is best performed in the light of day. Just remember that you can't start the show until after sunset to guarantee a sharp, clear projection. Thanks for watching. For more tips, tricks, and answers to frequently asked questions, check out our website at outdoortheatersystem.com.